What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy MH checking in to Road to Six Figures, episode 4, episode cuatro, episode 4. If this is your first time checking in, my name is Michael, aka MH. I started my YouTube channel in January 2023, so January of this year. And the purpose of it is I want to document my road, my attempt at making six figures, 200K in 2023 through trading Forex. I plan on doing this with getting funded with multiple prop firms. So getting funded six figures and then using that money to make my profit. So I want to be funded by the end of Q1, which is like the end of March. These first 3 months, I want to, get my psychology down, get my strategy down, and get things really dialed in. So if you haven't checked out any of the other episodes, there's more info in those, so definitely check them out. So without further ado, we're checking in for episode 4. Episode 4 is for the week of the 15th through the 20th, the trading week of the 15th through the 20th. So Sunday, January 15th through Friday, January 20th. So we about to get into it. So as you can see right here, the 16th, I started trading on that Monday, and boom, right out the gate, right? Caught 104 pips. 0.01 got me, $10, and I'm feeling really good. Because remind you, last week I snapped like an 8-week losing streak on oil, right? So I finished the week in the green. Then my first trade of the week, bomb, hit 100 pips. So I'm on cloud 9. I'm like, yeah, we Gucci. You know what I'm saying? We got it, and let's just build from here. But as you can see, things did not go quite as expected. From there, I was catching L after 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 L. And then I finally finished the week with 2 wins. So what in the world happened in between here? Like, what happened? Well, let's go into the charts to see what happened. Bang. So, as you can see, here's where we are. Here's that Monday, the 16th, and this is how we start off the week. So basically, what is it? So not only do I take notes on the thing, I also screenshot my notes so that I can actually look back. So I journal them and then I record them. So bang. So first trade of the week, right? Textbook setup. So this is my textbook setup. Took out 2 swing lows and swing high on the M1. So I'm on the M1. Formed the fair value gap. Took conservative TP, although I thought price would go higher. Price ran for about a 1-2-20, right? So as you can see, where's my time frames over here? Let's go to the. Let's move this up. All right, let's go to the M15. So as you can see, price took out. What we're gonna see, right? So we have this swing low right here. Price took out that swing low. Bang. And then it took out, I don't know if you can really see it, but it also took out these swing lows right here. Boom, boom, boom. So, right, so this is what I look for. I play basically liquidity sweeps. So, boom, a reversal after liquidity sweep. So, as you can see, we're overall, on the 15, we're bullish, right? So, if I'm taking longs, I'm going with the trend, which is good. Boom, price takes out swing low, and then I come down to the M1 is what I took my trade off of. Let's go to the M1, the M easy. Let's change my name to M easy. M easy. What y'all think? M easy? Should I just, MH is my initial, so I'm probably just gonna stick to MH. Alright, it's M1, you know this. Alright, bet. So here we are. We on the M1, right? Bang. So, and I even got the arrow to the swing low. Bang. Price. So y'all saw the liquidity, right? It formed the swing high. Boom. It takes the swing high, formed the fair value gap. This should have been my entry. I don't know if I got in right here, but this was the entry. Your boy caught 101 pips. Bang. All right, so we starting off the week good. Like I said, snapped it, and this was big for me because I'm in the past when I was having all those losing weeks, like the first trading day, like I had poor risk management, and I would like lose like half of my account, 20, 30, 40% of my account on that first trade in that first day. And then it was an uphill battle from there. So to start the week off like this, it was really, really, really good. And these are some trades that like I actually went back, so I don't even think I took these trades. These are trades that when I was back testing, I'm like, all right, I'm looking for entries. I'm like, all right, this was a good entry. This was a good entry. I don't think I took that, right? So my next setup was here, two positions. So wherever I wrote two positions, all right, this is my next setup. So I didn't take this. This was just a good back. I was back testing. Didn't take this. All right, bet. So what was I thinking here? All right, so this was, I think this is all right, bet. All right, cool. So let's go back. Price had already swept Asia highs and created three fair value gaps. When I got to the charts, I entered on the second, got stopped out, re-entered, and was up about 10. So what I do, another thing I do is I play the Asia highs, Asia lows in London session. I work an overnight job. I get out at like 3 o'clock, like around 3 o'clock. So it's like in the midst of the, London session. So what I do is I look for either the swing high, swing low to get taken, and then I target the opposite. So if swing high gets taken, now I'm targeting the swing low. And mind you, we got a whole bunch of oh no, I took that liquidity. Oh, that was a play. Look at that, bro. Look at that liquidity. I bet. So when I came to the charts, price had already took this and it had formed three fair value gaps. So I'm looking to play it short. I'm targeting the low, right? So what the world? So where was price at? So this is like 3. So it was probably like around here, bet. So price comes here. And so I enter on the second one. So I'm waiting for price to retrace. I enter on the second one. I get stopped out. Was this a good entry? So I should play, it didn't retrace enough. So if you take, I'm looking at this now. I didn't look at this then, but I'm looking now from here to here. I don't know if that's a good retracement. But anyways, I got stopped out there. What happened on the second position? Probably got greedy. Yep, re-entered and was up about $10, which would have recouped my loss and put me in profit. But I didn't take profit or set stops to break even, and I got stopped out. Bruh, look at this. This is straight greed. I'm up freaking 100 pips, bro. I entered here, and because I'm targeting, and mind you, this is like 3 in the morning. So because I'm targeting all the way to Asia low, I just let it rock out. Price comes back, stops me out. So that I could have been up. You know what I'm saying? Like, bro. All right. Anyways, so this is greed, right? So if we talk about things that happen, right? I got greedy. So we got greed. We're gonna look at what I did. We'll just go to the top of the. All right. So we got greed. I'm just gonna highlight this. So we got greed, right? Oh, this was. Then we come with this. All right. So then we back. We come in New York session. Price is bleeding. So price did exactly what I thought it was gonna do. It just didn't do it when I thought it was gonna do it. So I was targeting these lows. Price did come to take these lows, but it ran up, took some more liquidity, and then. So what I was doing is I was trying to play the pullback. I was trying to play the reversal. Why? I'm just looking back at this now, bro. Why I'm trying to play reversals here? Look at this. The Asia low hasn't even been taken. So why am I trying to play reversals? I didn't even notice this back then. This is crazy. So this is why you go over your trades. Look, dead, dead, dead. These 3 trades I shouldn't have taken because I was waiting for the Asia low to be taken out. And then I'm back to back to back. So this was revenge trading, right? So I'm just blowing money because I'm revenge trading. I'm taking loss after loss. Confluences, trade one, minus 540. 70.9 trade, currently bullish, took out swing high, fair value gap. So if it's currently bullish, why am I, bro, I don't know what I was thinking. Let's just take out this Asia range. Oh my gosh. So this one, okay. So it's coming down, it's coming down. You saw this is the swing high. Boom. It takes out, but these did not sweep any liquidity. So part of my strategy is I have to have liquidity swept. I have to have a swing high or low taken out, and then it has to be an imbalance or a fair value gap. This one, I mean, it barely took out the swing high, but there's no sweeps here. There's no sweep here. Like what are my lows? Because it ran so much. I mean, this would be my first low right here. I mean, technically, if you want to be quite frank, right, this would have been, I'm going to make a line right here. This would have been the first, should have been the first entry. Let me make this orange, right? So this would have been the first point I would have looked at target. This would have probably been the second, the bottom of this trend line. But I would have expected this to grab. Oh my gosh. I shouldn't have been in none of these trades. And this is why you really have to evaluate your stuff. Like when you're revenge trading and hopping back in and hopping back in and hopping back in, you don't really take a moment. Like your brain is not thinking logically. You're thinking emotionally. So you're making decisions that you never would make with the normal mind. So bet. So this one I shouldn't have took because it didn't take out a swing low, right? And then it formed another fair value gap. It took out that, so I got it again. No, it didn't take out a swing low. So this actually should have been my first entry. It takes out a swing low, right? But it does not take out a swing high. So I shouldn't have gotten that one. Boom. Right? So that's a loss. That's a loss I shouldn't have took. This is a trade I shouldn't have took. Entry 4, I was just, bro, it's formed a swing low. This was just I'm revenge traded at its finest. So one, rush into the trade when it hit the gap without fully evaluating the trade. Didn't set stop loss like I should have. Closed manually. Lost more than I wanted to. There was no liquidity sweep, which is what I forgot about. Price was going to fill in balance, but I didn't see. So I just say rushing the trade, risk management, and I would say confluences. I would say entry signal, right? Entry criteria. Bong. Man, this is all revenge trading, bro. No, the first one wasn't revenge trading. Also, trade 1 didn't take out a low. Boom. Didn't take out a swing low. Made liquidity sweep. So it's revenge trading. Revenge trading. I'm just revenge trading at this point, bro. Revenge trading. Revenge trading. Didn't have any confluences. Price formed swing low. And I thought price would reverse Asia session and get out earlier. Oh my gosh. Revenge trading. Bro, criteria. Did not have my criteria. Because the criteria is what gives you your edge. Those 3 confluences give you my edge. Yes, I'm going to take losses. But if we play in a game of probabilities, I'm going to win more times than I lose. I'm going to have that edge. So I'm not going to be gambling. I'm going to be the casino owner, if that makes sense, right? Think about casinos. Oh, that's gonna be a topic for another day. All right, trade 4. What I should have done is took profit in the second trade that I made during London session and not traded NY or went with the bearish trend. When I look back, none of the trades I took in NY met the criteria and had all 3 confluences for the setup, which is liquidity sweep, take out swing low. opposite direction, and formed fair value gap. But because I was revenge trading, I didn't recognize and realize all of that, and I'm just into mad, trying to recruit my loss, right? And when you get emotional, the market will whoop you, you know what, right? Overtraded, revenge traded, greed, and risk management, letting green trades turn red. So this was 18. This was that day. Rough day. 6 total trades. Too many. 2 trades landing 4 and Y. Was trying to time reversals, but was on the wrong side. I'll say overtrading too. This is crazy, bro. All right. So now we on to the next one. All right. So we got those 3 trades out the way. Right. So we have another trade here. It was this Asia session. Yeah, so I made a trade Asia session, which I normally doesn't do. Asia session trade had 3 confluences, 1038 price swept liquidity, but Monday's Asia low was right under it. It reversed after it took that low and ran 120 in my projected TP. Jesus. I placed a trade at the end of Asia, which wasn't the most ideal because the move was most likely going to occur during London. So, right, there's really not volatile movement during Asia. Like the big moves typically come London and New York, right? So I'm placing this trade, and I'm basically a sitting duck until London session. So I might as well just wait until London session to see what it's gonna do, as opposed to try to get early and, like, you know what I'm saying? It's a risky trade, and because it was a risky trade, because I got in early, I paid for it. Price was dancing around the fair value gap, and I had an opportunity to take the trade during London, but didn't. I didn't like the price action and wanted to wait for price to break red zone, but it didn't by the time I went to sleep. All right. So this is what happened. I said price took out a swing low. Right. So price. All right. Let me put the Asian range. All right. So when I got in, so price took this low, I don't know, probably this low thing or this low thing. Yeah, it took this. Price took this, right? But bruh, Asia low is right under it. So it's a high probability that it's going to go take Asia low. So I got in prematurely, right? Because it took a low, then it broke a swing high and formed a fair value gap. I got in here, got stopped out. But honestly, it met my criteria. So I really couldn't be mad at that. It met my criteria, but it met my criteria, but it wasn't the right timing. So I can't be mad. I'll live with this, right? It took out a swing low, 400 fair value gap, took a swing. I'll live with that. All right, I'll live with that. I'll take that loss. Even though, right, but I can live with that. You know what I'm saying? Boom. So I got in London, right? And it took out another low, formed another fair value gap here. I'm on a 3 minute. So it's a gap here in a 1 minute. Boom, 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 boom. I didn't like how it was sitting around here. So I'm like, nah, bro, I'm not getting in that. Bro, look what price did. Look what price did, bro. This joint ran 1 to 20. And it took out this high, what I was targeting, bro. Ran 1 to 20, bro. That's crazy, right? 1 to 20. So I mean, that was just straight hesitation, right? It got my criteria. It took out Asia low. It formed the gap, bro. Just take it. Don't hesitate, because when you have an edge, you can't be afraid to take losses, because when you have an edge, you will take losses. But if you take 100 trades, right, you might take a loss, and that's the thing. I was listening to, I can't think of his name, the dude that wrote Trading in the Zone, Mark Douglas, and he's talking about psychology. You don't know when your losses are gonna come, right? And that's the thing. So you're gonna take losses. So accept that you're gonna take losses, and then you also have to accept the fact that you don't know is when you're going to take those losses. But you also have to believe that you know that you have an edge, and you figure that out by back testing. And no, I have this edge, and over the course of 10, 20, 50, 100 trades, I will be profitable if I play this setup. This was my setup. I was afraid. I'm like, oh, I don't like price action. I'm letting my emotions get into it, as opposed to seeing my criteria, not being afraid of that loss, and pulling the trigger. That's what I should have did, right? So this is hesitation, right? And it cost me, bro. This cost me freaking. I had an opportunity to get in here, bro. Bro, it cost me $30. $30, bro. That's the difference between profit. Nah, I'm not saying I would have held that long, but bro, that's the difference. $30, I'm profitable, bro. I take that one trade the week, I'm done. I'm like, bro, I caught a 1 to 30. I'm done for the week. I'm just about to study and study and study and demo trade. Like, I'm not giving that back. Dang, that's crazy. I bet. So, what we got after that? But I love this stuff, man, for real, because I see the potential. Supply zone trade. So this wasn't my criteria. So I have a supply zone trade. I don't know why I'm taking supply zones. That's not my criteria. That's not my edge. Supply zone trade was driving, rush trade, didn't set stop lock, broke rules, and paid the price, bro. So I didn't trade my setup. I was driving, and I didn't set a stop loss. So that is risk management, rushing trades, and bro, oh my gosh. What is, bro? What is this? I don't even think I took. It was this trade right here. So price broke structure here, when in actuality it was just grabbing liquidity. I placed this trade here, got stopped out. What we got? What we got? What we got? Next. Ended week on a win. All right, dang. So this is the end of the week. So what did I do here? So I added 2 positions here. Ended week on a win. Textbook setup. So you notice when you see textbook setup, bro, those really the only. Imagine if I only took that textbook setup, which was the first one, right, when I got 10, and then this last one, which I made 14. That's $24, right? I started the account with I don't know what my starting balance was, but bro, that's like at least like way over 50%. My account was at like, I think like $40 or something. So yeah, I'm over 50-60%, bro. Less is more, gang. I bet. So end the week on a win. Textbook setup. Price took Asia high, formed for value gap, and took out swing low. Targeted lows, which didn't play out until NY session. Almost had a heart attack and thought I was going to get stopped out as price kept revisiting the gap. But I noticed that I entered prematurely. I entered on fair value gap before the swing low had been taken. Swing low didn't get taken until 45 minutes later. It came and revisited fair value gap after that and retraced past 78.6 at NY open and continued to go bullish. So, oh, this is all my old stuff. No, bro. I ended on the 25th. Alright. So where was this trade, bro? Where is this? This is pretty. I mean, I could look at it here. All right, price took the low. Formed the fair. Price took Asia high. What? Where you see a swing high at? Here? It's crazy, bro. Oh, okay. Here we go. Here we go. There we go. Is this it? Price took Asia high. Where is Asia high taken here, bro? So was this a sell? Let me see. Were these buys or sells? These last two, it was sells. So this is a buy, bro. We go to the 25th. Ah, here we go. Here we go. What was a sell? Pardon me, y'all. That's why, man, I need to do this sooner. I'm like, nah, we ain't over there. We ain't over there, gang. So I had a sell. Oh, I know what this one was. This is not it. I know what that one is. Huh. Yeah, I don't know what this last trade is, man. I'm sorry, y'all. But it's a textbook setup, which is making me really upset because it's like, bro, what the. Okay, here's the sell. Here it go right here. Okay, this is it. So, um, Thursday, 19th. Thursday the 19th. Oh, bro, I'm way ahead. No wonder, bro. This is the following week. I'm bugging. Yeah, I'm recording this. Well, I tried to record this video a couple of times, but bro, I'm all in freaking next week. No wonder. All right, here we go. Here's a trade. So price took Asia highs. That's all it is, bro. Took the Asia high. Bomb. Took swing low, which is like right up there. I don't want to change my time frame because I'm gonna have to. Man, I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna see. I want y'all to see what I've been seeing, baby. Bro, we touching 6 figures this year. You hear me? You hear me? Yeah, man. Like this, bro. It's so much potential. This is a skill that if you master, bro, you can run it up to the freaking sky. You hear me? All right, so see, that's what I hate, bro. It brings you all the way back to the beginning. Let's get to the 2019. So yeah, I added 2 positions on this. I don't know where I added the second position, but that's all we looking for. Boom. Price took out Asia high. Y'all see Asia high right here. Boom. Snagged that joint. Right? So really, this is why I think I entered somewhere up here. Maybe, no, I think I entered up here into here or something. But this is the thing. This is a swing low. This like there's no swing low that was taken. This is not a swing low. This is the first swing low, right? And I entered over here, so price is going. In all actuality, bro, I could have had a position here, position here, position here, position here, position here, and rolled that joint. But nah, that's too risky. But price took this swing low, came back up, revisited the gap, and we went, did it, and it retraced to the 71. So I used my fib, took out the low, it retraced, and we got up out of there. So if you notice, like when it's textbook setup, like it plays out, bro. So I just gotta trade those. Stop over trading. So this following week, the biggest thing that I gotta work on is over trading, right? Is over trading. So my wins was 25.19, my losses was 31.98, and this I was minus $6.79. So I came back a little bit at the end, which was pretty good. But in all actuality, I think I try to work on one thing at a time. You know, so at first I was just focusing on risk management. For the next week, I'm gonna continue with risk management, but I want to work on revenge trading because revenge trading really messed me up, bro. It really messed me up. When I got these days when I'm freaking trading like back to 4 trades in a row, bang, 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 clap. You know what I'm saying? So that sums up the week. This is episode 4. Episode 4 should be titled What should we title this? I don't know. I'll think about it. But this is episode 4. Episode 5, will be coming soon. I appreciate y'all, everyone that rocked out with me until this point, watched the whole video through. Any comments, questions below, put them down below. And yeah, until next time, I'll check y'all. Peace.